Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into one of the best offerings from Scotts Outdoor Power Tools, the TC70020S 20V 7.5-inch cordless garden tiller cultivator. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use tiller to help prepare your garden soil, this cordless electric tiller might just be the perfect tool for you. The Scotts TC70020S is designed for gardeners who want a powerful yet lightweight tiller for small gardens, raised beds, and flower beds. What sets this model apart is its cordless convenience. Powered by a 20V 2.0 Ah lithium-ion battery, it offers the freedom to move around your garden without worrying about cords or gasoline. Plus, the battery is compatible with other Scotts 20V tools, making it a versatile addition to your outdoor power tool collection. One of the standout features of this tiller is its 7.5-inch tilling width and a tilling depth of up to 6 inches, depending on your soil's hardness. This means it can efficiently turn over soil, mix in amendments like compost or fertilizer, and clear away old, compacted soil. The 4 durable steel tines are tough enough to handle weed control by pulling grass and weeds up from the roots, helping keep your garden neat and healthy. In terms of design, the TC70020S is very user-friendly. It weighs just under 12 pounds, making it easy to carry around and maneuver even in tight garden spaces. An auxiliary handle is included to give you better balance and control during operation. This feature is especially helpful when working close to garden edges or in raised beds. Maintenance is minimal with this cordless tiller, especially compared to gas-powered models. Since it's electric, you won't have to deal with messy fuel or oil changes. It's also quieter, making it more pleasant to use without disturbing your neighbors or wildlife. When you're done, the tiller can be easily stored in your shed or garage thanks to its compact dimensions. The Scotts TC70020S comes with a fast charger, so you can quickly recharge the battery and get back to work. Whether you're prepping soil before planting or mixing in soil amendments after the growing season, this tiller is a handy companion for all your gardening needs. Overall, if you want a cordless, lightweight, and efficient tiller that's perfect for smaller gardening jobs, the Scotts 20V 7.5-inch cordless garden tiller cultivator is definitely worth considering. It balances power and convenience, helping you cultivate your garden soil with ease and precision. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in improving your garden with a dependable tiller, this Scotts model could be the tool you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews and insights.